We're going to explain how to construct a Pareto chart in Excel. A Pareto chart is a combination bar and line graph that helps you visualize the most significant contributors to a problem. It's incredibly useful for prioritizing issues. 1. Gather your data. First, you need your data. Let's say you're tracking defects in a manufacturing process. You'll have a list of defect types and the number of times each defect occurred. Enter this data into two columns in Excel, one for the defect type, e.g., scratch, dent, crack, and the other for the frequency, the number of times that defect occurred. Sort the data. Sort your data in descending order based on the frequency column. This puts the most frequent defects at the top. 3. Calculate cumulative frequency. Add a third column to calculate the cumulative frequency. In the first row of this column, enter the frequency of the first defect. In the second row, add the frequency of the second defect to the frequency of the first defect. Continue this for all rows. Each cumulative frequency is the sum of all preceding frequencies plus the current row's frequency. Calculate cumulative percentage. Add a fourth column to calculate the cumulative percentage. For each row, divide the cumulative frequency by the total number of defects, the sum of all frequencies, and multiply by 100. This shows the percentage of total defects accounted for by each defect type, and all those preceding it. Create the chart. Select all four columns: defect type, frequency, cumulative percentage. Go to the Insert tab and choose Combo from the Charts section. Choose a chart that combines clustered columns and a line chart. Customize the chart. The column chart will represent the frequency of each defect type. The line chart will represent the cumulative percentage. Adjust the chart title and axis labels for clarity. You might want to change the colors to make it visually appealing. Add a data label to each bar to show the frequency of each defect. You may need to adjust the chart design to accurately reflect the data. This completes the creation of your Pareto chart. You have a visual representation of which defects are most significant, allowing you to prioritize your improvement efforts. Remember to always label your axes and give your chart a clear title to aid understanding. You can further enhance your chart by adding a title and legend.